Today, the CDC is shedding a little bit more light on what prompted the about face on the masking for those who are vaccinated. The Delta variant, as we know, driving up cases, even among those who have received a shot. Our Brooke Katz looking into the details with two local experts for us. Brooke.
And Doug, the CDC learned about a recent outbreak in the popular tourist spot in Massachusetts involving more than 300 people. And that study found 74% of those who got infected were vaccinated. It also found fully vaccinated people who get infected carry just as much virus in their nose as the unvaccinated people do, and they can spread it to others. Local doctors say that is a cause for concern, as the Delta variant is more than 2 times as transmissible as the original strains.
Based on that article I read and based on CDC's presentation, that R0 value is pretty high. What they mean is how much virus do you need to infect people? If this strain can infect 8 to 9 people in the room, you're talking about this is up there with chickenpox and measles. And that is what has scared me. Initially, we had thought that
that is Dr. Nikhil Bayani, an expert in infectious diseases for Texas Health Resources. He says at the end of the day, it's still important to keep in mind that the data shows the vaccines offer protection from severe illness and death. I also talked about the new mask recommendations with Dr. Trish Pearl, the chief of infectious diseases at UT Southwestern and an infectious disease physician at Parkland. She says the changes in recommendations reflect how our understanding of the virus is changing. She says for now, it is about layers of protection: vaccine, masking indoors, and social distancing.
I've practiced medicine for a long time, and I've never seen anything like this. And so you may not feel as though you are at risk, but there are a lot of other people who are at risk. And right now, I can't tell which of you is going to be at risk. So my best advice then is going to be to take care of all of you, and that is the Hippocratic Oath, is I first must not do harm. And so I'm going to take care of everybody. And even though you don't think you're at risk.
Both doctors tell me the Delta variant isn't just more transmissible, but it also appears to make people sicker, which they say is not typical of mutating viruses. They both want people to understand that the recommendations can and should change as what we know about the virus and the variants also changes.